Good afternoon. I'm Jamie Turvey of Turvey Partners at Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to just do a quick little video just addressing kind of what's going on in the state of our business right now. So everybody knows Corona's kind of taken over, and we here at Turvey Partners, we are also taking precautions, and we want to extend our hands out to anybody who might need a helping hand in these times. So we're just kind of gonna check out a couple different websites and see how you folks, if you have a spare hand, if you can help in any kind of way, or how we can help you in any way. So you folks know that we've partnered with Must Ministries as one of our 4 top local favorite charities, and this is what's going on with them right now. So they have donation centers set up here in Marietta. Okay, you can also give financially if you don't want to do canned goods or non-perishable goods. And then you can also donate. I know they have an option where you can purchase Amazon items that they need that are just sent directly. Here also on the Must Ministries website, you can find items, specific items that they're in need of right now. And then you can find out how, if you have some time, if you're able to go over there and lend a helping hand. Now, in addition to that, we know that a lot of the schools being closed is putting a hardship on folks who are working full time, and they don't necessarily have the funds to feed their children because they've been getting free lunches, free breakfast, and free lunches at the schools. So if you go here to fox5atlanta.com/news, you can click here. There's a list of Georgia's schools, and it goes by county of who's still having lunches available. I think they're doing brown bag lunches, so you guys can check that out and see, because this is something that we really take for granted, something like eating, and there's so many people who are actually much less fortunate than us, and this is really creating hardship for them not having schools open, and who knows for how long. So this is one resource here. I wanted to talk about also, I came across something, actually my grandmother posted it on Facebook, about a homemade hand sanitizer. So we know we're trying to minimize how much we're going out to the stores and interacting with other people. We know we're trying to keep it to groups of less than 10, and just only for necessity. So there's homemade recipes that you can do. I mean, first, I don't really know that you need the hand sanitizer when you're at home, because you can just wash your hands with soap for 10, 20 seconds. But if you do need to go out, you can carry a hand sanitizer with you that you've made, which is really nice because you know exactly what's in it and it's not chemicals. So that recipe, it's also listed on our blog at turveypartners.com. If you just click on blog, it's our latest blog. Chris just posted that today. But the hand sanitizer recipe, it's 1/4 alcohol and 3/4 aloe vera. And then you can use some of your own essential oils. And most people have essential oils around the house, really good for a variety of things. But particularly, there's a thieves oil recipe, and you can just Google that. You can find that online. That includes clove bud, lemon, essential oil, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus, and rosemary. So you can see that's really good for helping with anything related to the immune system. And it also smells divine. So you can carry that with you in a little pump or a little container and use it whenever you need it. And the last thing that we wanted to address today was we don't want anybody to be shy with us. Chris and I, we're available, as I'm sure everybody's business is slowed down a touch. We've been, just doing all of our calls remotely. So first we wanted to tell our clients that we're available at any time. If you still interested in looking for a home, as many people are, many people still do need to sell, many people need to buy. We'd be glad to do it virtually for you. We can make arrangements, like we can get as creative as you like. But if you don't feel quite comfortable going out right now, we'd be glad to offer that as a service to you. Also FaceTime tours. Isn't that the same thing? Okay. And then also, in addition to that, we would just like to say, Chris and I, we live in Beaufort, but we're used to commuting. We commute all the time, all day, every day. It doesn't matter how many miles. So if you or anybody you know and needs anything, if you need a little bit of help with your groceries, if you need help with a ride, if you need just some support, if you need some physical help, just somebody to be around you, we'd be glad to help you. Just give us a call. It's okay if we don't even know you. This could be a referral for somebody else. We do it all the time, and that's what living in community means. And so now with this downtime, we have the space, and we'd love to help you. Chris and I, we're very healthy. We're very we're fit, we're strong, we're able to, do these things and offer these things. So please, please, please don't be shy about it. My number is 678-599-4092, Chris 470-286-0083. Just give us a call, shoot us a text. It doesn't matter how small or how big it is. We're already doing a couple runs here and there, and if we could just consolidate it and do it at the same time, it's no big deal. So give us a call. Give us a call if you need anything, if you just want to talk, if you want to ask about the real estate market. We can also tell you what we've seen that's going on, observations that we made there. You guys just remember, wash your hands, which you should have been doing anyways, and keep it healthy. Let's look at this time for slowing down, this time for communion, being with our families, and doing the things that are most important, right? Like loving each other and just being present. And we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.